Did you know every year thousands of baby turtles make a perilous journey from their nests on the beach down to the sea? This incredible phenomenon takes place on the beaches of Greece and, luckily for us, in Zante. On my most recent visit to Zante, I had been trying hard to find somewhere to spot a turtle. Last time I went alone in May, there was a turtle swimming in the sea not too far from where I was snorkeling, but unfortunately I didn't get a very close look. It's not really me to go and get on a crowded boat and chase after one poor turtle in the sea, but to see them in their natural habitat is something that I really crave to see. So I heard that you could see them on the beach early in the morning, and I asked Jack if he'd get up and come along with me. We were lucky enough that we live quite close to Kalamaki Beach, and a part of Kalamaki Beach is called Crystal Beach. This is right at the very end of Kalamaki, and if you go down there you'll see lots of nests laid out which are being monitored by volunteers of the Marine Society and people that look after turtles. So Jack and I went to Crystal Beach at 7:30 in the morning. Not sure this was going to be the best day to go because it was actually really overcast and there was lightning and it was raining, but we were really lucky. As we walked along the beach there was a small crowd formed and I knew straight away that meant that something was happening. So we hurried along the beach and we were so lucky. There's just nests after nests that are all cordoned off and being monitored by volunteers that protect the baby turtles. But we got there just in time to watch this little guy making his journey from the nest down to the sea. It's actually incredible to watch how they battle through the sand for quite some distance, not knowing where they go. It's really important that they make the journey themselves. They need to understand, I'm not completely sure, they need to understand something about the beach, because in around 30 years time that turtle will come back to exactly the same beach, exactly the same spot to lay its own eggs. So although the volunteers help clear the path for the turtle to make its way down to the sea, they don't actually touch or interfere or do anything to assist the turtle down to the sea. It's very important that the turtle makes its own journey. There were a few of us watching. Everyone was really respectful and listening to the volunteers, keeping back and giving the turtle its space to make its journey down to the sea. What a journey it is for them as well. I mean, it must just be exhausted, and then it gets down to the sea and it gets washed out and brought back and washed out and brought back, and you can see his little flippers going crazy trying to navigate where he needs to go. It really is quite something. So if you're down before the end of October, I know I spoke to the volunteers and they said that baby turtles will hatch all the way to the end of October. Have a morning, get up early, go for a walk down to Crystal Beach, and I'm sure you'll be lucky enough one morning to see a baby turtle hatch. It really is a magical experience. Good luck.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside, away until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and trying to understand